Hey guys, welcome back to DJ's Workshop. Today we're going to be working on the FJ Cruiser. I noticed recently that my headlights are starting to get a little faded from the sun and whatnot. So I bought a restoration kit. We're going to give it a shot today, see how it works. So stick around, I'll show you how it's done. Alright, so one of the problems with a lot of newer vehicles is they come with these plastic headlight covers instead of the glass ones. Like this is a glass one here on my fog light, which it's fine, it never fades. But this here is starting to dull out and fade out, and I want to see if I can bring it back to life. Alright, so what I got to do first of all is I got to take this brush bar off of here. So let me get that off, and then I'll take the trim around the headlights because it'll make it easier to get to. So let me get those pieces off and then we'll see what we got. Alright, so now you can see I have the grill off and the brush bar off, and we can see that the legs are more exposed now, so I have more room to work on them as opposed to trying to get around the bar and the grill and all that stuff. And at the same time, it gives me a chance to respray my bar and the grill just to make it look fresh again. And then I can just kind of touch up some of this stuff here, just put a fresh coat on there. So let's show you what kit we got and how we're going to do this. Okay, so the kit that we're going to be using today is from a company, I guess you pronounce it Griots Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. Says for severely oxidized headlights. So in the kit, you get an oxidation remover, you get the ceramic coating, you get this little pad that the sanding disc will attach to. Okay, you get two 1000 grit sand discs, a 2000 and a 3000. So it comes with gloves too and an instruction manual. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to use the oxidation remover to wipe the headlight down, clean it up. And then we're going to start with the 1000 grit. We're going to sand it very lightly for about 4 minutes or so. Then we're going to switch to the 2000. Then we're going to switch to the 3000. The whole time we're doing it, we want to make sure that we have a spray bottle with some water. We want to keep it wet, so you're basically wet sanding it. And then once it's all done, you're going to spray it down, clean it up, dry it off really good. And then you're going to take the ceramic coating and just basically put a coating on it. And then hopefully it'll look good. So the reason I went with this kit is I had a gentleman that I work with and he did it on his car and it looked like it came out really well. So the kit was, I don't know, maybe 30 bucks or so. I figured, well, what the hell, let's give it a shot. So let's go out and start sanding and see how we turn out with this. All right, first thing we're going to do, take the oxidation remover. And this comes in a pad. And we're just going to wipe this thing down. Okay. Okay, once you do that, you want to take a microfiber cloth and just wipe this off. Okay, already starting to look a little better. All right, next step, we're going to start sanding with the 1000 grit. All right, so what you want to do, spray some water on it. And we're just going to do this for about 4 minutes or so. Just light pressure. You don't want to dig too deep and make all kinds of scratches because then you're going to get the scratches out. Alright, so once we get the 1000 grit done, I kind of smoothed it out but dulled it out. So now we're going to go with the 2000. We'll get some of these scratches out. I'm going to do this for about 4 or 5 minutes. And once we're done with this, we'll go to the 3000. Alrighty, now we're going to switch to the 3000. This will be the final sanding. And it's going to get all the fine scratches out. can see it's dulling the headlight, but it's smoothing it out, getting all the dead stuff off. And then the ceramic coating hopefully will fill that all in, make it look nice. Okay, so I don't know if you can see the difference. So this is how I started. May not be able to really tell, but you can see on this one how it's dulled out. It's nice and smooth, but it's dull right now. So we're going to take the ceramic coating and basically what you're going to do is just wipe it from top to bottom. Ooh, that looks nice. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to let that dry a little bit. Okay, that's quite an improvement. So I'm going to do the other side and then we'll see what they both look like when they're done. Okay, so here it is with both of them done. Big improvement. We'll see how, I guess it takes like 60 minutes to totally dry, but I mean right now it looks really good, so a lot better than it did, that's for sure. All right, let me put this all back together and we'll see how it looks all together. Okay, so here we are, finished product, and I think it looks really good. So if you guys are thinking about restoring your headlights, would I recommend this kit? Sure. They were getting pretty dull. I didn't like the way they looked, and probably about 15 minutes of work on each one made a big difference. You just sand it down and put the ceramic coat on it and makes them look like new again. Alright guys, well, if you liked the video, give a thumbs up, a share, and a like, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.